Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel. Welcome once again. Here's the headline for today. Breaking news. Fúláñi storms Ogun village, kills Yòrùbá local hunter in tough fight of vengeance. So, we all know that there's this insecurity in Nigeria that's been happening for some years now, and it has been causing a great cancer in the minds of Nigerians, and especially Yòrùbá people. How the Yorùbás are being faced every day. They can't go to their farmland. It actually started from those people staying close to the Fúláni's area, those middle belt side. Then it moved to the southwest, and Yorùbás have been complaining bitterly about this. They can't go to the farm. They can't go out any longer. They just stay at home because they are scared. They come every day and kill people. This is the main reason why Yorùbás are saying they want to leave Nigeria, because the bondage is too much. Why can you be in a country and you don't have security? And this is what Yorùbá Nation is promising Yorùbás, that when they leave Nigeria, the government of Yorùbá Nation will provide maximum security for their people, and no evil will come near their people. And that is one good characteristics of a good government. They protect their people. So before I dive into what happened in Ogun's village and how the Fúlánis killed the hunter there, do not forget to like this video channel. And for those who have not subscribed yet, click on the red button, subscribe to get more of this news. And also do not forget to click on the notification button to get notified when I will bring you latest updates on Yorùbá Nation. Thank you so much even as you do so. So before the press and before the hunters got to the point where people were being killed, they already left. But a witness was there, and he gave his own side of the story. So the witness was asked some questions and he answered appropriately. He said they brought AK-47 and they were shooting. They were shooting. Anybody they saw inside, they would just be shooting the person. He said, and he was asked, who do you think these people are? He said, they are Fúlánis. They are Fúlánis. He said they shot a man and also used machete on his head. Can you imagine? You shoot a man already. Why do you still want to use machete to cut him again? You can see the height of wickedness these people have for the Yorùbá people. How they don't bloody care who those people. If they're killing a child, a father or mother, they don't care. They just want to be killing people. What did these people do to them? Nothing. What did they do to them? Yorùbás didn't go to their place to go and look for their trouble. They just came into the land of Yorùbá people and start killing them. It's not fair. So the man said why they were shooting, they shot 2 people dead instantly also. So he said, in case people are doubting him, because they did a press, they showed him live. In case you are doubting him, in case you are there and you're saying it's a lie, in case you are there and you're doubting, there's a hospital in that Abule. Sorry, I forgot the name of the town it mentioned, but it's a village in Ogun State. There's an hospital there that these 2 people have been rushed to, and you can go there by yourself and check. If you are doubting Thomas, go there in Ogun State right now, the village, go there and check. There's a hospital there, you see those people there. They killed 6 people actually in total in that place. They just came and started killing people. What did they do wrong? They didn't steal anything, they didn't do anything, they didn't commit any crime. They just came to kill them. Are we really in the country? Do we really have any government actually? Because if you look at some other countries in the world, America for example, you can't kill any of their citizens and they will let you go free. You can see what happened some weeks ago, how the Nigerian man, I think Owolabi, if I'm correct, please correct me if I'm not correct, how he came to Nigeria. He's a citizen of America, but he's also a Nigerian. So he came to Nigeria after many years, I think 30 years in America, came to invest in his country to help people. And because he saw the way people are really suffering, there's no food. Came to invest, and at least if you work in this hotel, you're going to be paid and you have money to feed your family. And then before the hotel was opened, he was kidnapped by Fúláni terrorists. And they said the way they tied him, he could not breathe. He died from the tying. It's so sad. And that's never where I'm driving to. I'm driving to the fact that Americans, FBI, they came down to Nigeria to pick his body and went to bury him in America. So now, the place where he collected citizenship, not, it's not, he was not, he's not, how will I put this in English now? He was not born there. He's not an American, to be precise. He just gained citizenship from that side. But they valued his life more. But Nigeria, they kill people anyhow they want. What's their business? They kill people anyhow they want. They sell body parts in Nigeria now. We need to look into this. We need to call, like, this is the reason why Yoruba Nation is saying, let's just be going, let's leave this country. So I want to look at the comments of people towards this. I know people are really upset right now because I don't get it. What did these people do to you? And you just come and start killing them. Like, I don't understand. So I look at the comments of people too. I know people are really upset right now at what they did. So somebody said, my own advice on this is that, because I'm tired of all this one. Oh, we Yorubas, we have our ways of dealing with them traditionally. They should stop taking them to the police station whenever they are caught. They should stop sending the video on air. That's a fact, my brother. Because these Fúláñi terrorists, when they are caught, they'll be doing as if they cannot hurt a fly. And then they will not take them to police station. Then after some, before we'll not hear about them again. They have released them and they've gone back to their vomit. People have been saying this. Whenever these people are caught, immediately kill them. Don't even do it. Don't even view. Don't air it. Don't video them. Don't kill them immediately. Wherever they are caught, wherever any security agents, any hunter see them, kill them immediately. Even the Bible says it's not a crime. Any person that kills by the sword will die by the sword. So I don't know why they are still keeping them. You want to carry them and go to court? I don't get it. If it's like America now, if you kill somebody, after you go to some trials in court, and then they'll kill the person, when police people will line up and kill the person. But in Nigeria that we are, you can buy justice. They will not kill them. That is the point. We want to follow the law, but in Nigeria, law is no longer working at all. Law is no longer working. You need to kill them. Success said, don't rely on anyone. It's time to defend yourself. Yes, let's not rely on our government, because we don't have a government. To be precise, let's just say the truth to ourselves. We should stop lying to ourselves. We don't have a government. Those people that come to us after every 4 years to come and tell us to vote for them, they are not governments. They are there for their own personal pocket, for their own family. You stay on your own, defend yourself in whatever way you can. This is why the Yoruba people leaders are standing up to help their own people. So help yourself. Samuel Oluwashina said, Fulanis are not waiting for order, but people can wait for orders. You need to act fast and do something. Yes. You need to act. We need to act fast. If our governments they are not helping us, then we need to help ourselves, because we are being killed every day. They are in their luxury homes. They are not coming to that. They have security that are guiding them. It's even we that we are guiding them. It's our sons and our children that are guiding these people in Asowok, wherever they are. So we need to stand up and defend ourselves. If not, we'll be killing us every day. It's not crime. Florence said, I want Olori Buruku politicians. Yes. Because they will see say that they did not kill anybody. It's people that are just lying, exaggerating. That's what they said in essence, right? That's what they said. They will see that nothing happened. Oh God. Adekunle said, protocol ni omafin payin. Stop waiting for useless government. Yes, the protocol is too much. If you wait for police, they will still arrest those people, put them in jail, release them later. Kill them immediately you sight them. Kill them. The way they see you, they kill you. But you, when you say you carry a gun and hand it over to the police. Righteous citizen of Nigeria. Continue. Queen said, Didirin. She's trying to insult these people that are coming and we cut the people. Don't come on here and tell us anything. You want to show that you're Superman, you're arrested. What did you? They didn't even arrest those people. Why are you coming on? What are you trying to tell us now? People are just vexing someone. Adekunle said, stop wasting your time. Stop waiting for government. Stop waiting for them, because they will fall your hand. They will soon come and tell you that those people are not Fulanis. Maybe they are bandits. Maybe they are shaking it. It's a lie. It's a big lie. Olabisi said, you don't need Ijoba Gaga. You don't need them. If you get Fulani, kill them. You don't need government at all. Please, if you get Fulani, kill them immediately. Immediately. Without time. We don't waste seconds, please. Andrew said, I think it's right time for anyone caught with AK-47 and you people should arrest such. Please don't waste time. Naturalize the person. They don't deserve to be free. Queen said, stop complaining. Go and delete them. Who are you complaining to? Please, my sister, help me to ask them. Who are you complaining to? Are you going to wait until they have finished you up? Please, thank you so much for this question. Are the Yorubas going to wait until they have cleared their villages, and when you go to the village and there's nobody? Is that when you're going to stand up? So I don't know, what's your own reaction to this? I think this Yoruba people, I think we are being too quiet, too gentle. Omoluabi, wait for them to kill you, finish before you. Let me not say anything. So what's your own reaction to this? These people, they did not catch this Fúláñi, but they still came on air and say, they killed one hunter, they shaking it con. Wherever you see any Fúláñi terrorists, kill them immediately. Kill them on sight. Kill them they are criminals. They are terrorists. Kill them on sight. So what's your own reaction to this? I'll be waiting for your comment in the comment section. Please don't forget to comment. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for listening. God bless.